Well, we're gonna see what we can get done between the rains here. That's kind of the name of the game this time of the year in Missouri. I gotta sharpen this up real quick, just touch it up a little bit. And after you hit that side, if you feel the back of it, there's going to be a little burr because you're taking all that metal and pushing it over this way. So to get rid of that, just one or two no more burr, and that's going to be pretty sharp. I know the rain is coming.
Does it make it more difficult to do it when the wood is wet or dry? Just curious.
When this stuff is wet, when the bark is wet, it'll like gum up. So that's kind of, I've seen a difference there. But what makes the biggest difference is hitting these freaking knots. Yes, you did. So you well, that ain't it. That's a sheetrock screw. Ow!
Yeah, screws are sharp.
Yeah, thanks for warning.
Oh, that one went better.
See, there's that wet bark. Likes to gum up under my blade, roll up into big wads, and prevents me from cutting anything.
Excuse me.
Bless you.
To the car that went by. Neighbors running their equipment makes the deer run. It is.
Dragonfly.
All right, starting again. It's starting to sprinkle.
Yep.
Work fast. Oh. Right, now this holding screw, right? You don't have a holding screw over here to hold it up. Oh. Oh, you're just going to line it up. Okay. I gotcha. Whoa. It's in.
It's not.
It's barely holding.
Yeah.
Sorry, I forgot I was videotaping. I was more worried about it falling on your head. Do you want me to hold the other end while you move the ladder?
No.
Okay. I don't see it, so that might be a good sign.
Yeah. That's why I didn't tamp them in real hard.
Oh, so you can sway it to...
Yeah, adjust the
accommodate.
top of it up here, so I can screw both of these to it. Okay, now we just duplicate that. Tell you what, my kids got me this for Father's Day, what, 3 years ago, 4 years ago?
I think 4 years ago.
Quite a while back, and this with a wood blade or a metal blade, this is one of the handiest tools I've ever had. You don't have to drag a cord around with you. These batteries will hold the charge for quite a while.
And the yellow brand is reliable.
That thing is indispensable. One battery goes in that, the drill, circular saw. I don't have a circular saw yet, but a guy can dream, right? I think that one was right at 35. Pretty sure it was. Well, this one's going to be anyway.
Shouldn't you measure it according to the other side?
The other side's a 35.
Oh. I guess that makes sense.
Maybe.
Nowhere near. Gonna have to scoot your screw over, Terry.
Okay.
Well, we can't have it too far apart or it won't meet in the middle. All right, readjusted the screw. It's touching now. How about I hold it and you get the ladder? You almost took off my pinky. I'm being dramatic.
We still got my pinky.
Okay.
This weather's moving in on us. I was hoping for about a 45-minute window. I don't think we're going to get that, but we got a few pieces up, and you got to keep moving forward, no matter what happens. Just really. There you go.
So,
I'll get one 2x4 or a black locust from here to here.
for added
And so
support.
I don't trust just one or two screws in these
No.
ever so often to hold up the whole roof, because these will hold up a roof and these will, but they have to be fastened together. They have to be locked together somehow, or this on its own is just floating. It's not going to carry
Well, we
a load.
probably have some wood blocks left over from one project that we could splice in there. Give it added on both sides.
Well, yeah, I'll figure that out when I get
Get some super long screws.
there. Okay, now
Now for our
now
last
we
cut or
see-
piece,
now
so
we
see if
how
it fits.
this- yeah, now we'll see how this one fits.
Okie dokie.
Don't.
Are we gonna have to make a spacer?
Well, if I can force that pole in, nothing.
Awesome.
As a matter of fact,
Oh my gosh, it's like the perfect height of your...
right?
Very carefully.
now.
Now, I'm not positive on what is all over that, but that looks like it could have been poison ivy. So as soon as you're done hanging this, why don't you go in and...
Cedar limbs.
Oh, is it cedar? Okay.
Yeah.
I thought it was where poison ivy might have grown up on it. It looks good, Terry.
Is it touched on the other side?
Oh, yeah. It's trying to pop up above it.
Okay.
All right. Okay. It's up. Well,
Good enough.
it's wrapped around.
Okay. The rain's about to start. We got this end done. All of the walls for the chicken run are up. Next is going to be the gable ends and the roof. And put some wire on it. Like and subscribe.